Listen up, Harry Potter fans, this one is for you. This is a 3D printed telescoping wand that extends and retracts with a flick of the wrist. This one was printed with sparkle silver, gold, and an aromatic coffee PLA which fills the room with a pleasant smell of roasted coffee beans. Assembly was as easy as inserting the wand into the handle and screwing in the 2 gold end caps to keep it in place. The way it works is simple yet ingenious. By creating hollow cones that fit within each other, the smaller opening of the outer cones restrict the wider bases from coming out completely. Telescopes are the first obvious application for this type of mechanism, but you will also find it being used in cranes, ladders, and flagpoles. Can you think of any other applications? Let me know in the comments.